Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the nearly 1000 number of assistant professor vacancies from the government colleges, and these are all the permanent jobs, guys. You are going to get the UGC pay scales. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So here the first university that I want to show you is Assam University, and here the last date for submission of online application form is 8th December 2020, and the last date for submission of download application form is 14th December 2020, and the application fee is 1000 rupees non-refundable for UR, OBC and EWS, and women and candidates claiming reservation against SC, ST, PWD need not to pay any application fee. Okay, the application fee has to be paid through the payment or online internet banking or debit card or credit card. So online application forms are invited from Indian citizens and overseas citizens of India under Group A, B, C posts in university as per the pay matrix indicated below. So professor level 14, associate level 10 and associate level 13 and assistant level 10. So assistant professor level 10 category means the eligibility required here is the post graduation in the concerned department plus UGC NET qualification is required. So here the pay scale is 57,700 to 1,80,400 rupees per month. And here while coming to the professor in these departments in the Silchar campus, requirement is there. And while coming to the associate professor, so these are the subjects requirement is there. And coming to the assistant professor in Dipu campus, the geography, this is also associate professor. Coming to the assistant professor in Silchar campus, agriculture engineering, applied science and humanities, business administration, commerce, computer science and engineering, economics, earth science, Hindi, history, hospitality and tourism management, life science and bioinformatics, law subjects and non-law subjects, mass communication, pharmaceutical science, social work, Urdu and visual arts. So these are the departments from where the assistant professor vacancies are announced. And here you can check down the number of posts as per the caste category. The general instruction to the candidates: online mode of submission of applicants shall be essential, and applicants shall first register on the recruitment portal. Okay, so before starting the filling up online application form, you must be ready with digital copy of passport size photograph and all these things. Okay, so you have to check down. So if you are having any technical problems, you may mail to this one. Okay, so these are the instructions of this one, guys. And important notes and instructions are given here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you may go through this one. Fine. And while coming to the second one is the Rajasthan Public Service Commission. That all of you may know that here 918 assistant professor vacancies are there. So here you can check down. The selection process will be based upon the written test and the interview. So the name of subjects are given here: botany 33, chemistry 40, mathematics 34, physics 35, zoology 30, and accountancy and business statistics 82, business administration 127, EAFM 56, and textile dyeing and painting 1, geology 8, drawing and painting 10, law 8, economics 47, English 55, geography 48, Hindi 66, history 50, sociology 42, music 3, philosophy 2, political science 57, public administration 6, Sanskrit 39, Urdu 5, home science 5, and education extension 8, home management 7, Child Development 5, and Clothing Textile 6, and Agriculture 1, Punjabi 2. The total 918 vacancies are there. So for this one, the eligibility required is the post-graduation in concerned discipline plus the UGC NET qualification is required. Okay, so for your reference purpose, I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.